Oh, fucking plenty in there, mate. There's like 12.
I'm pretty sure we're already using some for the 120mm in there.
I think we are, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 of those. I've got 4 spare, because we used another 4 for the 120. Now,
So I'm still able to have my pull.
is this going to work?
Hope it does.
Of course it does. Oosh. Thank you, NZXT, for saving my ass.
Just to quickly clarify, that's my case.
Just clarifying that point right there, Simon. Right, okay. Well, now we know it can work. We'll carry on.
And by the way, for anyone that's going to ask the question of my tower and stuff, like my setup, you'll have to wait till the new year, as there'll be a new gaming setup video coming out in the new year.
One screw there. That through there.
Luke 26B, hey, hello!
I recognise that name.
Mega Steve's little brother.
Yes, that's why I recognise that name. Oof, dear me. Bastard, put that in the wrong fucking hole, didn't I?
Where are you attaching those fans at the moment? Steve is asleep. Why does that not surprise me? At the moment, these fans, these 4 that you see on the desk, are going on the radiator. It's going to be a push-pull configuration. So there's going to be 2 on the side where the fan is now and 2 on the other side. And then all of that is going to get put as into the tower.
Somehow.
Lol, I'm getting a PC for my birthday. I don't have a clue how to build a PC. Well, keep watching this video and you'll soon have a clue.
Hopefully. If you don't, then oh well.
Like I say, all this will be going up on YouTube, probably in multiple parts, because I doubt I'll put it all up in one thing.
Yes.
But it'll all get put up there as soon as possible, and it's going to be straight video, no intro, no outros. So you'll be able to enjoy it all straight away. Fia, hello, how's it going? How much is this? How much have you spent on this computer in all? Everything that's in this room.
2,600.
£2,600 is around 2K, I think, says Basic. You were very close.
The graphics card alone, 610 quid. That was on sale. It's not a cheap build by a long shot, but it is the build I've been wanting to build for a long time. So it's kind of like me just being me.
He's not lying. Every time I tell him, do a theoretical build on PC part picker, he goes balls to the wall.
I don't see the point of going half measures, man.
I thought you would do this on Monday. Well, we were going to do this on Monday, but JP had a change of plans. He got too impatient.
I can't wait, man. I can't wait.
Damn, that's like 3K US currency, I think.
It's about 3,400 US.
Or did I get something wrong? No, you didn't get anything wrong for you. It was meant to be Monday, but JP got too impatient. Basic says, 2,800. You think you might get pre-built, Luke? Our advice is don't go pre-built, it's more expensive.
For all the parts currently sat in this room, to get it as a pre-built system, instead of looking at the 2,600,
I'd roughly say 3,500 minimal on a sale.
3,900 it'll cost to get this pre-built from a company that I've looked at, not mentioned obviously.
Fia says, hey JP, I finally get to see you again.
Well, you see my hands. You don't see my
Just took your face down a little.
My face is here too. I'm still here. Kind of hiding though. Still don't like cameras.
Hey, I'm not forcing you to have your face, it's all about the PC.
It is all about the PC. It's all about the PC.
No, but no, it costs more to get a pre-built system. It's cheaper to buy the parts and build it yourself. And does PC Part Picker build it for you?
Yes,
They can
PC
do.
Part Picker can put it together for you. I believe they charge a construction kind of fee, like a putting together fee. But PC Part Picker is definitely one of the cheaper places to go for a pre-built.
PC Part Picker is a good place to go. You can get your PC built. It'll tell you if there's any compatibility issues. You can show people to get their opinion on it. And yet again, my advice is, and JP will agree with me here, buy the parts, get the parts delivered to yourself, build it yourself. Because if you're going to have a PC that you're going to spend your money on, and you're going to spend a good bit of cash on, you want to know your PC. So that way if something goes wrong, you're going to know it. You don't want a pre-built thing coming towards you, and you don't have a clue what's going to go on. You personally want to build it yourself, get to know your PC. It sounds weird saying it like that, but it's really the best way to go. Thank you, I've been needing to know that. No problem. But no, it's really...
I build all my PCs on PC Part Picker, spec them all up to check, obviously that's then to check for compatibility and all things like that. I use PC Part Picker to spec them up and see how I want to build the PC.
Basic says, I paid my buddy to assemble and install the 3 copies of Windows 7 for £100. It was very worth. But no, like the biggest example I can give to getting to know your PC, my PC, I had someone else build it for me, I give them the money, and when I priced it all up, I could have saved roughly £200. I only spent like £700 on my PC at the time, but I could have saved £700 if I got the parts myself. And even then, when something went wrong with my computer, I didn't know what to do because I didn't build it. I didn't have a clue how this thing worked. And through
That's
time,
how you met me.
And through time, I was wanting to learn about computers for a long time, and I happened to bump into JP at the same point. I decided to pick it up again, trying to learn again. And so he told me a lot of things that I would have learned from the internet over a long period of time, because I learn quicker by being shown than reading. And slowly through time, I've been upgrading my computer to the point where I'm actually very confident with my computer now. If something breaks, it is really easy to do. I picked all the parts as it was. You paid him to assemble it, but you picked all the parts. You would have broke something. You wouldn't have broke something. It's actually really hard to break something with a PC by accident. How do you get PC Part Picker to build it for you?
I believe you buy it through them. There is something somewhere.
There'll probably be like an option during
It is an
checkout.
option. Now, these two fans are going into there. They're going to run around the back of the case and try to anyway. Try and hide these wires, like tuck them in. Try and tuck it all away best I can when it's in.
While we're on about this, the best thing to do is while you're assembling your PC, or even before you assemble it, best thing how you're going to cable manage it. Cable management equals better airflow around your computer, which also means it's going to last longer. Everybody knows what is the specs.
The specs of this.
I'll slowly go through it. Basically,
You've got the list.
I could get off Facebook, but still, I really need to. I should put that into a command while I think on. But
I should have done that previously.
Yeah, I'll quickly just say this out loud. So the specs are: we have for a tower, we have the Corsair 750D Airflow series. For the motherboard, we have a Z1770 Pro Gaming. We have an 6700K CPU. i7. We have the H100 GTX water-cooled system by Corsair. Also, we're replacing the fans with as 120 static pressures, as we're doing for them for a push-pull. Then on top of that, we've got some DDR4 as Dominator Platinum 16 gig RAM by Corsair. We are going to be having it powered by a CX850M power supply. And also for the graphics card, we have an Asus as Precision Platinum as 980 Ti as graphics card. All this is going to be running on Windows 10. And with extra components, we have what are you going at? We have a 150 gig SSD Samsung with a 4 terabyte hybrid drive as to go for storage, along with a wireless port.
We may have a slight issue again, Simon.
What's the issue, JP?
Spacings on those. Anyway, case
Quickly.
over.
Have you ever thought of doing a CS:GO stream? I know you're a Safari player. What? You're a Safari player?
CSGO has been bought on Steam and will be probably one of the first things played on this PC.
But no, I personally want to start playing CSGO, but I haven't got around to
Need
getting
that
it.
thing.
No problem. You move that to one side. I want to get CSGO, but I haven't got around to getting it. I have 124 gigabyte SSD. I'm stronger. He's got 250. 250 gig. Any SSD? Yes, we have a 250 gig SSD Samsung.
Samsung 850 EVO. Is
Yes.
the SSD I've got.
So the case is coming back.
Yes. We need to take off.
Yeah, again, you've got to go for a little flight.
The case about to get light down, so I won't bother.
I'm just going to increase it a little. There we go. Damn, I hate this game.
What game?
This game.
Yeah.
Beast.
Ah! My side panel! My side panel! It's alright, you caught it.
I caught it.
Nearly killed it, that's why.
That's okay. I play CSGO on a laptop, and Beast of a Machine says Ray of Tom.
We have the fucking case, which is huge.
So this is the first time you're going to see inside this case now, so we should do a little bit of show off.
Yes.
So we have our modular as hard drive slots, which, unlike my case, which is the one thing I hear about it, they come from the front. My case, they come from the back. It's annoying.
These hard drive trays each contain 3 hard drive caddies. This is the trays and tray caddies. These are completely adjustable where you want to put them.
Almost murdered the motherboard. Look at all that hard drive space.
There's 4 SSD mounts on the back, which is fucking ridiculous. These all come out and move. I can put it over here. I can hang it up here. I can literally put these anywhere.
Just about.
Here. But they will be coming out because they do not require them.
3 drive slots with easy clips, so no need to screw them in.
Work out how the fuck I'm getting that out of the bottom though.
4! Yeah. So yeah, got easy clips on the drive slots, so there's no need to screw these in whatsoever. I'm showing these again just because your hand was in the way then.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's easy clip, no need to worry about that. Shut up! You're not a part of this video phone.
Here is all the lovely front I/O cables, which includes 2 USB 2 headers, USB 3 header, all these lovely pins, which come in very useful when you want to test bench something and don't use a pair of scissors to short out some pins. Yeah.
Yeah, we did that.
Yeah, we didn't do that. We didn't do that, Simon. Didn't. Okay. Pull that down there.
Are you putting in a CD drive? No, he isn't.
No CD drive whatsoever. No requirement for one.
And the next comment is, what is a CD drive?
Exactly. What is a CD drive? The mounts will be done up here. Oh, this is where I'm going to require.
Basic says I don't.
Oh! I don't want to put the filter on the floor. Magnetic.
Basic says I don't have one either. I have one in just because that's what came on my previous computer.
Fair play, fair play. I'm going to try. Now this is where you do a bit of trial and error and see which way around you want to mount this. Might want to mount it there. Let it come down like that. What do you reckon to that, Simon?
Vanzi, thank you for following and welcome to the binary. I hope you enjoy your stay here in the database. I
What do you
hope
reckon
you
to that?
enjoy the rest of this PC build stream.
Do you reckon that's a decent positioning?
As long as the cot says facing that way, yes.
That is both
I am a
good, so-
person like that with slight OCD when it comes to shit like that.
Yeah, so am I. Now this is where I'm going to require your assistance, Simon.
Oh,
Oh, I need to get down. Oh, shiny. What?
keep going. Okay. Is it an i5 CPU good?
An i5 is great for gaming.
For gaming, it is good. If you're going to go into editing terms, it's
want
better to
an
get
i7.
something bigger. If you're going to start streaming, especially on a PC gaming at the same time, I highly recommend getting an i7. As an i7 normally has a quad core with hyperthreading most of the time. If it feels too much, swap yourself from an Intel build to an AMD build. They are generally cheaper for the money. You guys going to use an M2 socket?
No, I'm not using M2 socket. I thought about it, I considered it, I thought about it again, I then looked at the price and went, and then I realised I was going ball to the wall, but I went, no, I'm not going to do M2. I was going to go for a Samsung 950 Pro M2 card, which is only about 100 and something quid. It's not too bad, but it's only a 250 gig for 100 and something quid. I think it was about 146, I think they were at the time. But the SSD I got was 50 on sale for the same thing. I just didn't see the extra 100 quid being worth it. There's not that much of a, well, there is a massive speed increase, but not that much that I'm concerned about for gaming. It would only be a boot drive. An SSD does me just fine, to be honest.
Alright, so what do you
It might be something I think about upgrading to in the future, but right now, I'm good.
So what do you need my help with?
Yes, maybe close need washers. I ain't got no washers. I know where there is washers. Okay, this is going to be a ball ache. Right, we're going to make this up as we go along again.
Well, while you do that quickly, I'm going to quickly make a PC spec command.
Oh, not Give me a moment, making up as we go along again.
We do that a lot.
Things happen, okay?
Makes sense.
Oh, Simon, you left me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
I'm good.
You good?
I'm good.
Careful, that's your side panel with the glass.
I know. Let me
Ray and Tom, thank you for the follow and welcome to the Binary.
Thank you very much.
Hope you enjoy your stay.
As I mount a table. It's okay, guys. We're professionals.
We swear.
Don't try this at home. We are trained professionals.
We have a certificate. That means nothing.
I have a certificate I got off eBay.
Yes.
Do you know what we need?
What?
We need a button to insert anime thumbs up sounds. And then go, ding!
I like it.
That's what we need, man. That's what I need in life. Anime thumbs up sounds. Hopefully this will still go tight. Yeah. Pro. Definitely done this before. Okay, I've done this before, but in a lot worse conditions. I fucked up a lot previously, okay? We've all been there though, we've all made mistakes. Some of us weren't, forgetting that we needed extra screws and not buying extra screws. But we all make mistakes. I also just realised something, I don't have enough mounting hardware for my other fans. Oh dear.
Really?
Click it. Oh. Trained professionals. Oh dear. Right, there's now a YouTube video of me fixing. Well, there's soon to be a YouTube video of me fixing a fuck up that I created in such a delightful manner. Do you know what? I hope to God this fits in past the RAM sticks.
Why?
Well, because if this radiator is too thick being push-pull to actually get the RAM in, this is going to be entirely pointless. Not to mention the fact I have to work out how the fuck I'm getting that top screws in. This is going to be fun. Oh well, it's all trial and error, isn't it, Simon? It's all fun and games.
Indeed it is.
I got the washer. You making a... Go for build specs. We'll go for that.
Yeah, sure. Give me a moment.
Okay.
bollocks! I put the fucking thing away, didn't I? 100% blaming you for that, Simon.
What did I do?
I don't know. I'll work that out later. But it's your fault. Something is. I put the baggie away. I need baggie.
I don't like you. Well,
Who doesn't like me?
you, as we don't like you. You don't have to stay here.
Hello. Who is it?
Pandalop, yeah, really complicated name, big thing with P's.
Anyway, I require the case to be returned to me.
No, if you don't like it, you don't have to stay here. No one is forcing you, good sir.
Apart from maybe a potato. Potato might force you. But I am no potato! Oh. I prefer to be a carrot, thank you very much. There we go. Now we're back. Let's try again, Simon. I can get this back there.
Don't underestimate the power of potatoes. Build specs. But I will be here. I will be unliking you. Okay. Okay, for those of you wanting to build specs, we now have a command. I thought that was a GPU. No, it's not a GPU. For those of you that want as build specs, you can now use this command. Oof. Wow. There is so much in, the bot has to put 2 commands. Everything else then, Vegas LED light strips. Light strips comes in its own message.
Take out the light strips then. Take them out, dude.
That was my first time posting it. Lumus, answer my question, please. Give me 1 moment.
Who's asking questions?
I was working on something. There. Wait, what did you ask? By the way, did you already Let's Play Skyrim? I was, and then I stopped halfway through because I stopped having fun. So I stopped. Does it not say how much RAM? Did you not put how much RAM in this? No, you did not. How dare you not put how much RAM?
I did.
Yes, it's 16 gig.
I did put 16 gig in there. I'm sure I did.
No, you didn't.
Did I not?
No, I'm going to go and fix it.
Oh. Oh dear. Ugh. I need assistance, Simon.
I'm about to be with you in 1 moment.
Oh, dear me.
There we go. If there's anything else wrong with that, that should be all the specs. There is some LED strips, but you don't really care about those. If there's anything else wrong with that, please do say and I'll fix it with command. At the moment, I'm going to go on back to helping. But yeah, so that's the build specs. If anyone else comes in asking, just type in that for them. Any one of you can use it, so don't worry about it. As I slowly make my way out of this.
Downtown?
Make my way downtown. Walking past. Do you know something? It's really awkward because I'm getting out of that chair sitting there thinking, people are now going to watch me get out of this chair really awkwardly because everything around me. Wait a moment, the camera's not on me.
May have also dropped the
Watch your case. It's in the PC specs. It is the Corsair 750D.
Obsidian series.
Vanza, thank you very much for answering.
Yeah, I've dropped the washer.
Oh, way to go. Check my screws, there might be some with them.
No, there isn't.
Oh, lovely.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
Turns out that if you drop a little tiny black washer inside of a little tiny hole in a big black case, it's
really hard to fucking find it.
You don't say. I have there's an i5 4690K, and I can game and stream just fine, by the way. Pretty cool. I don't think you need an i7. It's recommended.
It's what i7's he got?
A 4690K.
That's because he has a 4th gen i7. You've only got a 3rd gen in yours.
Thank you for answering my question. Sorry if I missed it, if that's going to be sarcastic. If it's not sarcastic, I'm sorry I missed it. But no, you're more welcome. We'll answer any time. I will check in later. As chores to do. Good luck with the build. Cheers, no problem.
Good luck with finding a washer.
As Crockenash, thank you for following and welcome to the binary. Hope you enjoy your stay here in the database where you've just been downloaded. Hope you enjoy your stay for the rest of the time you're here and for the rest of this PC build stream.
Or however long it can be. Hold that.
No problem. Run away! Shit, I blocked the door.
Bollocks.
I wasn't going to run away. One of the moments, I know where you live. Well, yeah, you're sitting in my house.
I'm stood in your fucking house, you dumb. Yeah, so that's disappeared into the realm of oblivion.
Well, have you ever thought of checking under that, onto the black carpet?
Yeah, I have checked. Bollocks.
He's lost a washer. I'm sorry, but I don't have any spares.
I know you don't have any spares, that's why I had to use mine. Ah, fuck's sake.
This is what happens when you're not careful.
I was careful. This is what happens when you try and do something without the correct assistance.
Well, why didn't you wait till? Do you not have the rubber ones for a reason?
The black one to go between the fan and the radiator. Well, that's interesting.
What?
The washers just disappear into the realms of oblivion.
Well, you have to try and make do with one less.
I only have 8. I need 8. God damn. How did it just vanish like that? I don't understand.
Well, everyone in the stream is probably sitting and laughing at you right now.
Because they can see it and I fucking can't, that's why. They're sat there going, look, it's right fucking there, screaming at the screen. It's right there, no, left a bit. And I'm there going, I can't hear you. If you are screaming left a bit and you can see the washer, please do feel free to point it out. Come round.
Make sure you don't install it on accident.
Install what?
I don't know.
I have no idea, but I've fucking lost a washer, man. Right, let's have to carry on. Have to grizz and bear it. Hope for the best.
Make do. Improvise.
Yeah, that stuff, that good stuff. Right then, put this in here. Take that into there.
Could you technically not use one of the washers that's on my food tubes?
I would if there was a washer on it.
I know one of them still has a washer, but most of them have lost theirs.
There it is.
I mean, check to see if the washer was installed and you forgot about it.
No, the washer fell off the screw. I heard it fall. I watched it fall, and I heard it hit the case, and then, poof.
Right, well, here, take this, because I'll check it. Right, have you got a washer?
I've got a washer of some description. Not a good enough one, but it'll do. Right.
We've got a makeshift washer. Now, part of my tower becomes a part of his. Twice now. You saw it screws on now, you're still into washers. How screwed would you have been if I didn't buy that tower?
I wouldn't have been. That would have been the problem.
God damn them puns.
Oh, wordplay. Do you know, I can't remember what country it is, but it's a country where word puns are banned.
I saw Simon put it in his pocket.
Simon!
God damn it, basic.
Okay, Simon, I require you to lift up the radiator. You fucking idiot.
Sorry, I had to take the piss.
No, because I had all the fans fucking put through the hole. Now I've got to undo it. Start all over again. My God, Simon. You can't just be normal for 2 seconds. You've got to fuck around. Ah! My God! Oh!
We're professionals.
We're professionals, honest. Fuck's sake, Simon.